In this tutorial, I'll show you how to start Echo Chainsaw. Firstly, set the on or off switch to on. Move the choke lever to the closed position. This enriches the fuel mixture for cold starting. Now press the primer bulb, usually clear plastic, about 5 to 6 times or until fuel is visible inside the bulb. Now place your right foot through the rear handle to hold the saw down. Hold the top handle firmly with your left hand and pull the starter rope briskly until you hear the engine try to start. This may take 3 to 5 pulls. Once the engine pops or fires briefly, move the choke to the open position. Pull the starter rope again and the engine should now start within 1 to 2 pulls. Let the saw warm up for 30 to 60 seconds and gently squeeze the throttle to test response. Disengage the chain brake, which is pulling the brake handle back before cutting. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I will see you on the next one.